Hey guys, this is day 10 of my 365 AI tool challenge, and today I'm going to explore Microsoft Copilot. So we have tested already ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, Perplexity, Gemini, but a Copilot is different. So basically, Copilot is a Microsoft AI assistant, but instead of being a separate app, it is built right into Windows, Edge browser, and Microsoft 365. That means no tab switching. AI help you write inside Word, Excel, PowerPoint while you work. So it's built for productivity. Let's get started now. So first we can sign up. Okay, now let's run through some features. So I'm going to start with the simple. So let's type what is a healthy lifestyle. So we can see it gives instant and clean answer. And then let's check web search. Because it's connected to the web, you get current information with the source and it won't be outdated training data. So let's try to ask something. So how is the financial situation in Nepal? So we can see the answer. So even if you type something wrong, a spelling or grammar mistake, you can it can correct your questions. Now let's try the popular feature, which is image creation. So let's ask generate Kathmandu city in 2050, and boom, you can see the picture created. Now let's try to upload the file. So we can drop any PDF file, document, or any image, and let's try with examples. I'm going to upload this document and ask summarize this document in a bullet point, and you can see. Just wait a few seconds and you can see the answer now. The next great feature we have is a deep research. We already tested this in other tool. Let's ask what's the potential to start a software development business in Nepal 2026. So we can watch how it pulls live data and structure it. It takes some time, so I have to pause the video and then I can continue. And yeah, you can see now. So it's already it's almost ready now. So you can see. So it has done so many research. So this is a great feature. So next great feature we have is a Kids podcast. This is actually new and no other major chatbot has this. So I'm going to ask turn any topic into AI generated podcast.
What these tools actually do versus the marketing hype, and practical strategies for.
Now let's try quiz section. So we can, if you want to study and want to practice for quiz, we can do that here. So I'm going to ask quiz me on this document and you can get instant questions. And now we have a connector. So connector is popular in other AI tools as well. So let's hook up app like Outlook, OneDrive for personalized answer based on your stuff. So I'm going to connect my Google Calendar, and I can ask when I have a day off and when I can go out with my friends, and according to my schedule, and you can see it can suggest you which day and what time. So next we have a project. So it's actually same like we did in a ChatGPT. It organized charts and file in one place, so you don't lose the context. I think, yeah. So I think that's all I want to cover for now. So honestly, I like Copilot more than other AI chatbots as we get premium feature in free version. And best part for me is that Copilot work inside Microsoft tools such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So instead of switching tools, we can use AI while working. So it's more focus on productivity, such as writing, documentation, data, presentation. Also, if you use a Microsoft tool, this become much powerful. So simply think of like this other AI tool are like a separate app, and Copilot is like a AI inside your work. So there's a lot to cover. So I'll make another video how to do that in a proper way. Okay, so that's all for today, and see you tomorrow with another AI tool.